I can't believe I'm here. You know, it's quite something. It's not every day that you do a master's or that you start a master's, you know?
The introduction week is where you get all the information on your stay, your study.
The introduction week was fun as well as informative. The mentors here are so good, they are so helpful.
It just makes you feel more at home, and I think that's very important because although we're far from home, this is going to be our own little home for 2 years.
On Sunday, after we got here, we had this moving in market. There are senior students who leave all their belongings, things that they don't carry to their home, so they leave it here for us.
We went to the UT campus, and my God, the campus was amazing. There were so many people, and I'm not usually like a crowd person, but I really felt comfortable. It was good.
To get to know all the facilities and what they can offer, it has been pretty nice.
I sort of won the think tank, so it was, I really didn't expect that.
One of the things that make me feel like the Netherlands are amazing and they care about human being. Like, they were telling us about the safety, about the extinguisher fire and everything.
But when the police officer came and told us about all the rules and regulations here, then I got into thinking, oh my God, I broke so many laws on the first day.
We had a bicycle workshop, which was pretty nice to be at.
Bikes here are really tall, and I'm really short. So it was a bit hard at first to ride the bicycle and keep my balance because the pedals were like so low when it go down, but I managed not to fall.
And I was shouting, like, I'm cycling by myself, and guess what? I just fall. I actually have a scar here.
I think there's no better way to getting to know another country or to get people together than by food. There's no other way.
Last night I went to the concert. It was fun. The music here, I loved the music.
At the getting to know each other, I meet a lot of people and a lot of culture. We actually talk about on how we say hi in our countries. It was amazing that there are people who actually do a push-up to say hi.
That getting to know each other was quite important. Me as a Latino, we are very touchy. We like to be like upfront. We like to hug. We like to kiss. And Indians, Africans, maybe they have a certain form of being, which is not exactly like you.
It was very informative, and I think everyone should get this kind of presentations and workshops over here.
Having those activities programmed for you, they're not in a very linear or boring way. They're just, everything is new to you. Like, just don't be scared of being out of your comfort zone. You're gonna have a great community here, even from the Dutch people, your teachers, I don't even know them, but I feel already like they're with me. What seemed so far 2 years ago is now a reality. So I'm really looking forward to start studying.